Okay, so now we're going to go to part two. So we're in the lovely living room, and now we're going to go check out the bedroom. The bedroom is beautiful. This is a king bed, so you're going to have plenty of space in here, as you can see, for the bed, end tables, etc. You do have a recessed kind of ceiling that's there. So that's a very huge span, by the way, of the ceiling fan. That seems to me bigger than normal. That's cool. That means you're gonna have a lot of air circulation in here. There's your area for your dresser, and then another gorgeous window covering just almost 85-90% of the wall. This is really nice. So the fantastic views continue. Over here, you can see the bath, and the bathroom is here. It's beautiful. Don't you love this? This is a dual sink, and then beautiful mirror and lighting that's here for you. You can also see the combination walk-in shower that's here, and then for the times that you want to enjoy that just long bath, and then you've got the bath right here. You can see over here as well the closet. The closet is a nice space. There's all sorts of storage in here. It's just super generous, and it's a lot. So you're going to have more than enough space for anything that you want to carry with you here, clothes-wise and shoes-wise. Very beautiful space. Hey, there's a number below that you're seeing, you've been seeing on this video. I want you to send me a text to that number. That's going to get you in contact with me. I'm gonna make your process so easy to find that perfect place. It might end up being here at the Hanover Montrose. But it would be good to compare choices and see what is the best for you. So reach out, send me your information, and I'll get you help and immediate time savings and stress relief. It's a free service. Reach out right to that text number below. Thank you.